Yo, look what I got, bro. Yeah. Only half of it, you know. All of these orders that finally came after like weeks delay. Upgraded the fabrics. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Let's see, bro. Look at that in the sun. Yeah. Come on, man. I have to bring it inside now. So let's go do that. I'm inside now. Boxes. I'm gonna just put all of the teas on my bed. Just to take a pic real quick. Bro, look at that, man. All of these, bro. So I've got the cards here and then here. So make a pile of the shirts here. Add one of the cards and put another pile here. Yeah. The order's done. Well, not done fully. I need to add the stickers and shit. Yeah, so here's the card as well. So I'm in the middle of packing orders. We've got like the making station. Here we've got the packing station. Order here, ready to go. I had to put in all the hands, the cards, as much I've got left. I've got a few overstock, but I'm sure I'll sell those soon. Actually, you have to put these two. Gotta put it in here. These are the ones that are done for today. Yeah, yo bros, quick cut. That was basically it for today. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ship the orders off, and then yeah, I'll just record a video doing that. And I think next I'm gonna record a sewing tutorial and a graphic design tutorial. Yo, that's basically it. Safe. It's 14:20 in the morning, spent 14 racks in the bowling.